Hi, friends. It's time for recap. And today we're talking about things that are the same and things that are different. Things that are the same means that they are alike. So if we had Dewan and Beulah standing next to each other and we compared them, if Beulah and Dewan had on the same color shirt, they both had on a red shirt, then they would be the same. But they are different because Dewan is a boy and Beulah is a girl. So we are going to look at pictures of all of your families and we're going to talk about how the families are the same and how they are different. After you watch this video, then you're going to listen to a story that's called It's the Same and It's Different. So let's look at the pictures. So here is Landon's family and Allison. This is Allison's family, Landon's family. How are they the same? Yes, they both have children and parents, right? They're the same. And they both have a sister. This is Landon's sister and this is Allison's sister. How are they different? Allison is a girl and Landon is a boy. So that's one way that they are different. All right, let's scroll down. Here is Ian's family and Johan's family. So in the pictures, how are they different? They're different because Ian just has his mommy in this picture, and Johan has his mommy and his daddy. And Ian just has his little brother and his big brother, and Johan has his sister and his big brother in this picture. Here's another family. This is Aiden's family and Beulah's family. How are they alike? They both have a child and a parent, right? Beulah and Aiden are both wearing shorts in the picture. And they're different because it's only Aiden's mommy, and here it's Beulah's mom and her sister and her cousin. And then they have Aiden's mom has no sleeves on, and Beulah's mom has no sleeves on. That's how they're the same. Let's look at another picture. Here is Nina's family and Sophia's family. Talk about how they are different. Tell me one way they are different. Very good. Now, how are they the same? How are they the same? I know one way they're the same. Nina and Sophia are both girls. Let's scroll down. Let's see who's next. Here is Noah's family and Grace's family. How are they the same? They both have a mommy and a daughter, well, a mommy in the picture, and they're different because Noah has his dad, Grace's dad is not there. Noah is a boy, Grace is a girl. Let's go to the next picture. Here's Dewan's family and Sophia's family. Dewan just brought his grandma this day, but Sophia had her dad, her mom, her two brothers, and her sister. Here is Kareem's family and Nahum's family. How are they the same? They both have a mom in the family, and they both have brothers. These are Kareem's brothers, and that's Nahum's brother. Kareem, they're different because Kareem has older brothers, and Nahum has a little brother. Let's look at Nina and Anthony's family. This is Anthony and his mommy, Nina and her mommy. So Anthony, they're the same because they both have a mom and a child, but they're different because Anthony is a boy and Nina is a girl. Look, Nina and her mommy have the same color hair. So friends, I hope that you understand that it's okay to be the same, but it's great to be different. We don't want to all be the same. We don't all want to look the same, dress the same. Miss Charles always tells you that it's good to be different. Because imagine if we all looked alike. I wouldn't be able to know who was Sophia, who was Johan, who was Aiden. If you all looked alike, I'd be like, who is who? I wouldn't know, but because you're all different, I know when I see Sophia's face, that's Sophia. I know when I see Aiden's face, that's Aiden, that's Ian, that's Johan, that is Dewan, that is Edwin. I know. So, and imagine if me and Miss McNair looked exactly alike. You would not know who to call Miss Charles or who to call Miss McNair, right? So, it's okay to be different. We love being different. And it's okay to be the same. Sometimes being the same is cute. We call it twinning. So I hope that you enjoyed this lesson, friends. And next, watch the video to listen to the book. It's okay to be different. That's the title of it. It's okay to be different. All right, see you next time. Bye, friends.